Obiora, you are now a grown man and you are free to make your own decision. But you should let me know sometimes. Odife came here the other day and was seriously threatening to go to any length.
Are you still bothered about Odife? I'm asking you, are you still bothered?
Yes.
Mama, huh? What's your problem? You worry too much. Stop bothering yourself about Odife. It's nothing but a toothless bulldog.
Obi, do not underestimate a lion. No matter how calm it might appear to be, Odife may be quiet now. But believe me, he is planning something serious. And we wouldn't want to wait and find out when it is already too late. Just give him what he wants and let him go, please.
What do you think he wants? Share of the property? Is that what you think he wants? Mama, Odife is right here. Right here. So you have nothing to worry about, Mama. Absolutely nothing.
Thank you. That is all I want.
Yes, in It's okay, it's okay. If that will make you happy, then I'll go sort things out with him.
Thank you. That is what I want. That is what I want.
So can you change the chemistry of your face now? Robert. You and I can attest to the fact that we've met a long time now.
Yes.
And you're one soldier I trust so much. Okay. I want the person in that picture silenced.
Okay. Done.
Done?
Deal.
Come, this rascal. What are you doing in my house? I'm asking you, what are you doing in my house? Obiora, what are you doing here? You have disgraced me in the city. You now come to the village to disgrace me again? Is that it? You have the gut to tell your gate man to throw me out of the house and beat me up, Obiora. A titled man like me, or defend himself. Hey! You have the gut, Obiora. What game are you playing? Why are you kneeling down? Eh? Obiora, stand up first. Stand up.
I am sorry.
You are sorry. Obiora, you are sorry. If you already read, see you are get man to throw me out of my own brother's house. That I planned for you. I work for you. Look at you, Obiora, you are now driving big cars. We know you in this village when I picked you up and sent you to the city. Lechamanya, a holy Odife disgraced me. Obiora, I will not forgive you. I will not.
Okay, I'm sorry. Just find it in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry. Since that day, I've not been myself.
You, Obiora. It's okay. Stand up. Let's talk. Stand up first. Obiora, stand up now. Obiora, look at me. Look at bread and mineral. That is what Odife is taking. There's no food in my house. And I have a business plan that I have packaged. Sent you there so that we can eat together. You now end up eating alone. Abandon me here. Even when I come to the city to see you, you throw me out of my brother's house. Obiora, is it good? Oh. Now, what do you come here to do?
At least let me hug you.
Hug me? No problem. Eh?
Tell me you've forgiven me.
I'm forgiving you. That's why I hug you. I'm forgiving you.
Uncle, hug me again.
I'm forgiving you.
1 second.
Obiora, is this for me?
All for you.
Hey! Obiora! Obiora! Obi-nwa! Hey! Obiora, this is what I'm talking about. If you have been doing it like this, you will not be quarreling. At least, now I can eat the fruit of my labor. If we work it like this, we will be best of friends. We will not be quarreling. At least you rub my back, I rub your own. Obi! Thank you very much. At least my wife will go to the market and buy foodstuffs in the house. Thank you. Thank you. I'm grateful.
Can I take you somewhere?
Obi, let me organize my house first. Let me organize my house first.
All right, I'll send my boys to come pick you.
No problem. I'll be ready. I'll be waiting for them.
We need to sit down, drink, and sort things out as
No
brothers.
problem. No problem. That is progress.
Uncle, you know I love you.
I love you too, my boy. Hey, Obio. How?
I'll be waiting for you.
No problem. Oh, Amaka. Oh, Obi. Abu nwa. Maka nwa. Oh.
Yeah, come on in.
So you sent for me?
Yes, I did. Where are all the staffs? I mean, I couldn't even find one car outside when I was driving in.
Sir, I'm as surprised as you are. Since morning, nobody have shown up to the office.
Nobody?
Yes, sir. Not even the cleaner.
But we're supposed to have a board meeting here.
Well, sir, I'm surprised. I thought you gave them holiday, sir.
It's alright, just go.
Thank you, sir. Sir, please, sorry, I want to ask for my holiday. Can I, I've worked 3 weeks now. Sorry, sir.
Get out.
Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, please, can I
Get.
take my holiday?
Excuse me. I want you to warn your son. Warn your son. I won't take this nonsense. Let him stay clear off my business. Let him stay away from my company. He's turning my staffs against me and I don't like it. It's disrespect. I went to work today. I didn't find anybody. Only to come back and he was talking to one of the staff. He's turning my staff against me. I won't take this nonsense. I'm just keeping calm because he's my half-brother. The next time this repeats itself, I just might lose it.
Are you done? No, are you done saying whatever you came to tell me?
Wait a minute. Oh, I've been talking nonsense.
Obiora, I am not feeling well. I don't feel my body today. I need to take some rest. I don't want any shouting, any talking. Please.
I've not been making sense. It's alright. Sorry. Rest. Huh? I'm shouting. Rest. Let this happen again. Just let this happen again. Let's see if you have the time to rest. Let it happen again. I'm talking nonsense, I'm shouting. There is no problem. Rest. Rest. But let this happen again. Huh? Let this happen again. And then you see what I'll do. Right! You see what will happen? Nonsense. I'm sending someone to bring you right here. No, don't worry. Just follow him. Yeah. That's exactly what I said. Do not worry. Just come with him. He will bring you to where I am.
That's okay. That's not a problem. No problem.
Mama.
Oh, no.
There's a car parked outside.
Oh, that's my driver. He's going to take me to where Obiora is. We have 1 or 2 to discuss.
Obiora?
Yes, now.
Why don't you come inside here and discuss it with you?
What is your problem? Why do you want him to come here and discuss it with me? Why can't you mind your own business?
No, not to know. Just that my spirit didn't accept it.
What did
I'm
you
not comfortable with
What did you say?
As in my spirit.
Your spirit? Which is spirit? The evil spirit in you? Or is it and there another spirit? No, I know now. I know that the evil spirit in you will spoil everything I've been doing. Since all these years I've been arranging things. Now it's trying to work out. The evil spirit in you want to hinder it. That is why it's not agreeing with it. Listen, let me tell you. Just find something good to prepare this evening. We are going to enjoy. Our enjoyment starts today. So prepare something. Eh? We will enjoy today. Adam.
Yay!
Young man. Where is Obiora? I'm supposed to meet him here. He told me to meet him here. Where is he? What I do with knife? Please, I'm begging you, please don't leave. Please. Ah!
Good evening, Mom.
Good evening.
Are you alright?
Your uncle is dead.
Which uncle?
How many uncles do you have? Your uncle Odife.
Oh.
What is that?
That one. Okay.
Okay. Is that all you have to say? Okay.
What else do you want me to say, Mom? For a very long time now, I stopped considering him relative. Alright? Me saying okay was just me being sympathetic. That's all.
Why? He's your blood. Your uncle. Your late father's only brother.
Mom, listen. I had a very long day today. Okay? I'm very tired. I just want to go upstairs, have a cool bath, and rest. Alright? So you take good care of you.
I asked you a question and you were here drinking your wine. Did you have a hand in Odife's death?
Oh, goodness. Mama, what kind of question is that? Do I look like a killer? I'm asking you, do I look like a killer? I didn't do it. I would never do such a thing.
I remember you told me that you are going to Odife's house to settle with him amicably.
Yes! And truthfully, I intended to settle with him amicably, but you know, nature had its full course. I mean, it's not our fault that he died. Huh? But if you check it, you know, one way or the other, it's win-win for us. One fool down, many more to go.
Obiora,
Ma?
I am not comfortable at all. I feel you are hiding something from me. You know I will support you with my last breath. But what I will not support is when taking another person's life.
Mama, as for Odife's death, I'm innocent.
Madam.
Money, is that you? I am very sorry. Choose. I should have come and greeted you for the loss of your husband. But I have been so busy. Business.
That is not why I am here. That is not why I am here. I came to tell you that I know your son is behind the death of my husband.
Monica, you and I never had any problem before, and don't allow us to have it now. What kind of nonsense is that? How can you accuse my son of killing your husband? Are you okay?
Oh, hey, Obiora, your son, made my husband believe that all was well. He sent someone to come and pick him. Until date, I have not seen my husband. If you were in my shoes, what will you do? What will you do?
What are you talking about?
Anyway, Jidegode, that is not why I am here. It was my husband's greed that killed him. Because if he had listened to me, he would have still been alive by now. So I am here to tell you that I know every plan and move given my husband Demelo. Every plan from beginning to the end. I will tell the world what you have done. Yes, Meme, I will do it. Your son is there claiming to be what he is not. He is there oppressing that poor woman and her children. But don't worry, I will tell the world what you have been doing, that you are an evil woman.
Monica, what plan are you talking about?
Oh, okay, you don't want you don't know, you pretend not to know or what. Don't worry. Okay, Maro, continue believing that you're Maro. I will tell the world how evil you are. What you and my husband planned. What who your son is. Happens you Madam Gift. Okay, so I forget Madam Gift. Just worry. Nonsense.
What do we do? I told you to be honest with me. You swore you did not kill him. Why did you lie to me? Now his wife is threatening to reveal everything. All we have been fighting for is about taking from us.
Mother, are you scared of Odife's wife? What she will do? Come on. She won't do anything. She won't try it. Oh, Mama, don't worry. I'll take care of her.
No. Enough of this taking care of people in your own way. You have made the mess already, and I have to clean up.
You have a better idea?
Yes, I do. Leave her for me. I will take care of her my own way.
All right.
Yeah. Things keep happening. With that reason, no matter what you do, Just know that nothing lasts forever. Oh yeah, nothing lasts forever.
Yo, Dagger. I think I have another job for you. The victim has got a parrot. I need you to silence that parrot. Leave no trace. Contact me when it's done. You hear me? One take, one time.
I know my husband was a very bad man, but I don't like the way he was killed. Only a heartless person will kill someone like that.
Monica, I know how you feel. I know you are hurting so much. I've been there before. So I know exactly what you're going through. But don't worry about it. You're a young woman. You don't have children to look after. So you have the privilege to remarry and start your life all over again. Okay? No.
There is something I want to tell you. I want to make a confession.
A confession?
Yes.
About what?
If I don't, my conscience will continue to judge me.
What are you confessing to?
It's about Obiora.
Yes? Dagger, what is wrong with you? Please don't just give me excuses. Why am I saying the stupid person that asked you to silence? Why am I saying the person in my living room? Is this how you work now? Is this how you work now? And she did what? Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? Listen, you have 24 hours to silence this person. Listen, I do not want excuses. Complete your job and get your balance. Good. I'll be waiting for your text.
No matter what you do, just know that nothing lasts forever. Oh yeah, nothing lasts forever. Oh yeah.
Patricia, I know you must hate me now. But I pray you understand that I had no choice. I couldn't go against my husband because I was also afraid of my own life. And you know the kind of man I married.
Monica, I don't blame you. Neither am I mad at you. I'm just thinking on how desperately wicked the heart of man can be, even against his own blood brother. Just imagine that.
So, what do we do?
We'll have to wait for Philmond to come first. Then we'll know the way forward. In the meantime, you'll be staying here. Rather than going to the village to stay, you stay here.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have you had anything to eat?
Let me call you back. What are you doing here?
What are you doing and you're looking at me? Aren't you supposed to be in the village mourning your husband? Your late husband.
She stays here.
Brought her here. As what?
I'm asking you, as what?
Oh, all of a sudden you're itching your ears.
Does this place look like where they have widows forum? Widows meeting? Widows committee? Look at them, they're looking at me. Widows, that's what you are. Eh? That is what you are. Now you listen to me. First thing tomorrow, I don't want to see you here. Copy?
She stays in this house.
She goes nowhere. She stays here. Okay. So you go nowhere, you stay here. Let me meet you here first thing tomorrow and see what I'll do to you.
This is my house and I determine who stays here.
Oh, you determine who stays and who goes. Simple. She determines who stays and who goes. Right? Let me meet you here tomorrow morning.
Really?
Really?
Let tomorrow come then.
Okay.
Hey. Can you come down?
Look at them. Stay in your house, stay in the village, mourn your husband. No! You're in a hurry to come to the city. Probably look for some boy to incubate. It's in your eyes, look at you. It's right in your eyes. Stay in the village, mourn your husband. No! No! You're in a hurry to come to the city to look for one boy, one little boy, to package and close your leg as a widow. No! Look at them. Birds of the same feathers.
Widows.
You tell me who owns this house. Who runs things in this house?
Don't mind him. Come on.
Patricia.
He will do nothing to you. I am here.
I don't want to cause you trouble.
Is this one trouble? He's nothing. Just a chicken change. A cow.
If I should get you correctly, I mean, if my memory serves me right, are you implying Obiora is not in any way related to Chief Ezendo?
Barrister, all those questions are not necessary. Let us just move forward. Get the police, get those people arrested, and then they pay for everything they stole from us.
So as a matter of fact, we need a proof to substantiate this claim.
What other proof do you need?
You see, would need a concrete evidence. Say, having a piece of paper where you have an agreement between the barrister and two persons, or a voice note, something to substantiate. You don't just lay claims without evidence. I don't know if you get me.
So all this while we've been living like slaves under someone who doesn't even have the right to knock on that gate in the first place.
Once I want you to calm down. Just try and calm down. You know the barrister is right. We'll have to think of a way to get hard evidence to prove this.
How exactly are we supposed to do that, ma'am? How? Just tell me how. Because the person we're talking about did not sign any agreement in the first place. So how are we supposed to get an evidence?
What if we ask Obiора's mother to confess?
I'm desperate one.
Really? You want Obiора's mother to confess against her son?
Sad.
That woman would rather be beaten by a snake than to do that.
Honestly.
As a matter of fact, there's no way out of this. There's definitely nothing we can do about this.
No, don't say that. Hope is not lost yet.
Mom, what exactly do you want me to say? Tell me. How do we go about this?
Don't worry, there must be a way.
There must be a solution.
God will make a way. Trust me.
Calm down, we'll look for solution.
Listen, madam. I'll try to be as brief as possible. Okay? I wouldn't want Obiora to come meet me here. He will suspect something.
I understand, barrister.
Good. You see, I'll need you to get me a sample of Obiora's DNA. Like his blood, his hair, his nails, anything at all. By the time you do, I will take it up from there. You know.
What will you use this to do?
Yes, for paternity tests. That sample will help us to ascertain if actually he's your husband's son.
Okay. I will talk to my son.
Good.
He will know how will he manage to get those.
Yes, and very important. Don't arouse suspicion, please. Keep it low.
I will, barrister.
If he finds out about this, the task will become difficult.
I know.
Good.
I understand.
Right.
Thank you so much, barrister. Thanks for coming.
I can count on you.
Of course, anytime.
Oh, thank you.
I'll see you around.
It's a pleasure. I would like to take my leave now. All right. Thank you.
What are you doing here?
Your stepmom called me and appealed that I come over.
What does she want?
Usual talk now, pleading and telling me how the husband loved me and all that. Who cares? Who cares?
Are you sure? Why didn't you call me before coming?
Obiora, you and I know you're a very busy man. I didn't want to bother you. I mean, Wachi and his mother are people I can personally handle. So why get involved? I'll have to take my leave now. I have an appointment to catch up with. Excuse me.
No matter what you do, just know that nothing lasts forever. Oh yeah, nothing lasts forever. Oh yeah, I just
Help me check my goods, no? Biko, I'll soon be back to the village. I'll soon be back.
You see, there is this joy, this delight, this excitement, this satisfaction that I get when I see people trying to run into the skin the mere sight of me. You're doing good. Why are you here? Why are you here?
I know you killed my husband. Why did you kill him? I just want to know why you killed him.
Say that again. What did you just say? What did you just say?
I just want to know why.
You want to know why? I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Your husband forgot his place. He became selfish, greedy. It's giving me command, forgetting who I am. The next time you ask me a stupid question, you will join your husband. Are we clear? Is that understood? Good.
Don't worry yourself. Nothing will happen to you. Sorry. Sorry. So sorry. It will go before you know it. Sorry. Sorry. I can imagine the pain. So sorry, my love. Sorry. Oh no.
I don't know. I am not safe here.
Monica, why are you talking like that? Nothing bad will happen to you in this house. It's your house as well, even though it's my house.
Obera said he will kill me.
Obera will not kill you. I will take you to somewhere safe. Keep you there until all these problems are over.
How are you sure? How are you sure I will be safe there? He killed my husband and threatened to kill me too.
Obiora will not see you. Am I a baby? Where I will keep you, Obiora will never even dream of that place. Don't worry about it. Don't touch this your backside. Sorry. Sorry. No. That boy is wicked. I don't know what his problem is. Sorry, only. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Hello, sir. Yes, everything is going according to plan. I've given them the instruction and I'm expecting to get a feedback. Yes, as soon as I do, I'll keep you posted. Thank you very much, sir. You can always count on me.
Are you serious the barrister said that?
Yes, he did. He said we should try and get those items. That it's going to use it to run the test. At least to ascertain if Obiora is truly who he claims to be. And we can probably use it against him if he goes the other way around.
I was actually thinking of that too. But if this test must be carried out, you know we also need that DNA. Where are we supposed to get that?
He didn't say that. All he said we should do our best to get those items that he would use it for the test.
Mama, are you sure we should be trusting this barrister at this point? Because not long ago he betrayed us. How come he's having a change of heart?
I honestly do not know what to tell you now. But if you ask me, I'll tell you, let's trust him this once. Even if it means the last time.
It's alright, Mom. I'll look for a way to get those samples from Obiora.
Good. But I want you to be very careful. So that it doesn't get suspicious.
I will.
Thank you.
And what are you doing here?
I needed to see you.
You have my contact. Why didn't you call me on the phone?
No. I needed to see you face to face. So I'll be sure you're not lying to me.
State your case.
Barrister, are you really trying to help us? Or you're just handing us a long rope to hang on our necks while you are at the end of the rope?
Watch.
Yes.
I know you have your reservations about me. It's crystal clear. But you see, It will interest you to know that everything I did is for your interest and that of your family. If you truly want to regain what's rightfully yours, provide what I ask you. Until then, don't contact me again. I was on my way out for a court session before you barged in. So can you excuse me?
Come in.
Hi, what's up, bro? How you doing?
What are you doing here?
Relax. I'm not here to make troubles, alright? I know your blood is always hot.
I said, what are you doing here?
Alright, fine. Is it considering the fact that we don't get to have a normal discussion? You told us fight all the time. You probably didn't notice today is my birthday. Yes. And as I clocked another year, I can't stop but imagine how short life is. So why be enemies when we can just be brothers like we're supposed to be? Alright, long story short, I came here to say sorry for everything I've done to you. And also hear you say a happy birthday to me as your brother.
Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
You alright?
Yes.
So this is what you've come to tell me. Are you alright?
Mm-hmm.
This is what you came to tell me.
Yes.
Are you high? Did you sleep?
Okay, I don't know why you're always like this. I actually came to tell you, as my brother, to get ready so we can go out tonight and have fun. Alright? Have good fun. Go to the club. I do all the champagne, Dom Perignon, blah, 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 whatsoever. Bills on me. Okay?
Do me a favor. Get out.
Come on, bro. Like I said, we're brothers. We need to start making father proud, wherever he is. Okay? And also, your fiancé is not around. So this is a good time to go have fun. Imagine all the beautiful ladies we're going to meet at the club. And don't forget, bills on me. I'll take care of all the bills. Be it women, be it rings. I got you, bro. Yeah.
There are gonna be plenty of fine women.
Plenty. A big. You already know.
Yeah, I like it. And you make that happen.
Oh shit, I'll make it happen, bro. Believe that.
Okay, let's just say I'm gonna give you this one chance to do the right thing.
Alright.
First, call me Senior.
Senior?
Elder brother.
Elder brother.
Say it again.
Elder brother.
Okay. From now on, you address me as what?
Big bro.
Or?
Elder brother.
Good. Alright, so you go downstairs, wait for me, let me freshen up, and I'll be with you.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's what you be saying when you're going on. Big brother, keep repeating.
Big brother. Big brother. Big brother.
Yeah, big brother.
Big brother. Big brother. Big brother. Big brother.
Yeah.
Yo.
He called me big brother.
What are you doing?
Oh. We went out together. We'll just go back. I'm trying to make sure he's alright. Yeah. Fine.
I said, what were you doing?
I was just trying to adjust his hand. You know, he was somehow. I just want him to be fine. That's all. You just come in.
I came this afternoon because Sobiora wouldn't pick his call.
So
I only heard as he went out with him.
Yeah.
When did this bond start?
Well, not long ago. I thought it was better for me to bond with my stepbrother. I mean, that's exactly what my father would have wanted. Well, now that you're here, I think you should just take good care of him. I'll be in my room.
One more thing. Why is my son dead drunk? But you are not. How?
Obviously, yeah. I'm not a drunk like your son. Good night.
Did you get it?
No. She came in just as I was about to cut it.
Who?
His mother.
What?
We need another strategy, Mom.
Does she suspect you?
No. I didn't give her any reason to.
Hey.
We just have to look for another way now, Mom.
Be careful. Be careful. I'm not comfortable with this. What if she caught you? Hey!
I'll be careful.
Please be more careful.
Yeah. I will.
Hey.
My son, are you alright?
What are you doing here?
I wanted to make sure you were okay. I didn't trust the fact that you went out with Moji. My son, I see things you can't see. Those people are up to something. Be careful.
Mama, I had all these thoughts before now. After going out with him yesterday, I realized that he has come to terms with reality. He is bound to what he cannot change.
I am your mother.
And I am your son.
Wait now, let me wash myself.
You're clean now.
No.
You're trying to kill the urge now.
No, just wash.
Obiora, how could you?
How could I do what?
What were you doing with that cheap whore? That hungry witch? What were you doing with her?
I don't understand. What am I doing with her? The same thing I usually do with you. I mean, what do you expect? I should just stabilize on bread and tea alone? No, of course not. I'm not going to be looking this fresh. You know, I should have different varieties. You know, this moment I'm on rice and stew, bread and tea, okwa, you know, ofaku and oha. That's one of my favorite anyway. But yeah, I have a different taste of things to balance my diet. That's why you see, I look super clean.
Obiora, I am your fiancé. You brought me to this house saying and promising that you were going to marry me, and you treat me this way? I mean, I don't get it.
The same thing I told you is what I'm telling her upstairs. You know? So it's just one of those things. So that's just one of my treats and one of my tricks and one of my tips.
So that prostitute is who you're comparing with me. What does she have that I don't have? I mean, what is she giving to you that I cannot give to you? Obiora, tell me!
You don't want to know.
No, I want to know. Tell me, I'm listening.
All the while we're together, you did not give me the style they call skelewu. Skelewu. Have you forgotten so soon that you were once standing on the road when I picked you up, cleaned you up, and make you like this?
Oh, shut up. At least I was one with class. Okay? No, announce it. Tell the world that I'm a prostitute. Tell them. Use trumpets. Announce it. Blow it. Broadcast it.
Okay.
Nonsense. You know what? I am sick and tired of this rubbish. This is the end of this relationship. I am done with you. You can be with your so-called prostitute. I don't care. I'm done with you.
Okay, let me quickly say something before you leave. You just said it is over between us. Oh, my darling. If you were super smart, if you had something up here, you will know that I was done with you a long time.
Get away! Idiot. Fool!
Why does it give me so much joy, so much satisfaction to see them cry, get angry? You know, I'm done with you. I was done with you a long time. Where did I stop? Upstairs. On to the next. Hey, baby!
Yeah.
Where were we?
Wait, calm down. Miss ready for you. Where? I'm ready. But if you go make alcohol enter.
You know?
Yeah.
Alcohol makes you
high. You understand?
Yeah. I'll be right back.
No, don't worry. Chill now. Don't wait begin work. I just like that. I'm here to take care of you. Like that. I'll go bring you.
You know where my bar is?
Don't worry.
Well,
Just
now,
relax.
hurry up now.
Yeah.
Hurry up. Hurry up now.
Hurry up.
Hurry up. Yeah, hurry up.
Okay.
Hurry up! Hurry up!
Calm down now. Chill. That bro's blood they hot. I just post her now. I need something I drink.
Drink?
I need drink.
Drink for what?
Give me drink. Once I've missed this thing with the drink now, you go just sleep. So they will go do everything we want to do with the body. You know, go wake.
Are you sure it's going to work?
Ma, give me drink. Give me drink now. Ma, tell you, now wait till they miss with all this allergy them if I won't pack their money. Once I miss and they go drink and they go sleep totally, before they wake up, I don't waste, I don't pack the money, they go. Just give me.
I hope this is not going to kill him.
No. You go just sleep. You go just sleep. Before you wake up, you don't do what you want to. So chill.
I'm not going to kill him. Do you want him dead? I think I don't do it easy now too. Yeah, my balance.
Wow, thank you. Thank you so much.
Got my balance.
Relax.
Why give me balance, I don't understand.
Weird?
Give me money now. Never do it easy, make I do for you.
It's alright, calm down.
You don't carry cash?
I don't have cash. Just give me your account number.
Do. No part they use.
Alright. Account number, please.
91.
91.
333.
333.
790.
729.
Yes.
Sorry?
80.
80.
Sorry.
Let's go.
Make I warn you. Make I warn you. No try call me for this kind of work again. Now shower they do. I know they do this kind of work.
Just calm down.
If you try next time, I know if you die for wait. I know now. No try them again, no.
I'm sorry about that, okay?
Sorry for yourself.
Yes, come in.
Mom, I have it.
What?
I got it.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. See, keep it carefully, okay?
Yes.
Tomorrow you hand it over to the barrister.
Exactly what I'm going to do.
Careful with it.
Yes, Mom.
Watch.
Mom.
Your father must be very proud of you.
Yes.
Yes.
He will.
I'm going to my room.
Barrister, finally we've been able to get the items you asked us for.
Oh, splendid, splendid. So can I have it?
Why don't you hand it over to me?
I still don't trust this man. Not after all he did to us.
Can you just hand this over so I can play my part?
Why can't I just go to the hospital with the samples and then get the result myself?
Not a bad idea, but you'll be needing your father's DNA too.
Do you have it?
Yeah, I do.
How did you get it?
That is not important. Just bear in mind that your father trusted me with a lot of things.
Wash, you know we don't have time. Just give it. Hand it over to him. Just get it done.
It's alright then. I'll invite you over when we'll go to the hospital together to sort this whole thing out. How about that?
It's okay.
Nothing lasts forever. Oh yeah. Why fighting for what is now yours? You better watch your back, 'cause nothing lasts forever. Yeah. I just wanna live my life the way I want it. I just wanna flex myself. Live today, forget tomorrow. But someday, just one day, everything will be made known. Yeah. So what is staying to gain? Oh. So what is staying to gain? Oh. No matter what you do, just know that nothing lasts forever. Oh yeah. So nothing lasts forever. You just wanna rip where you did not sow.
Where is she? Where is she? Huh? Where is she?
Where is who?
Where is the girl you hooked me up with?
Oh, she's long gone.
She's long gone.
Of course.
She's long what?
Gone.
Gone. Okay. What do you mean what? What's your business? Mind your business. Hey, where's the girl? Where's the girl?
I said she's long gone.
What is wrong with you? Is this how you are? Is this who you are? I thought we could become friends. I thought we could work things together. Just when we're getting to know each other, getting to work things out between each other.
And to work what together actually? What? Obiora.
You think I want to get close to you? Huh? Listen and listen good. You and I can never understand each other. Alright? And very soon, your evil deeds will be exposed. I promise you that.
Just leave him alone. Let's go inside.
Look at her. You! That's the fast one you just played. 1-0. You're leading. What are you looking at? Mind your business. At your age, you're still wearing gown. Wedding gown. Red wedding gown. What are you looking at? Move it. Move it. Red wedding gown. With a white, stupid fool. Who connected me to a thief? You're a thief. You're a thief. Shoo! Shoo! This guy just played a fast one on me. Huh? Just when I thought we could become friends. You know, be my real plug to some real things.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Everything is okay. I mean, ready. Oh, okay. I should come collect the second batch? It's okay. It's okay. I will be with you in a jiffy.
Barrister, I got your call. Why are we here?
Yeah, you took your time watching. So I called you here so we could run the test. You know, I promised to update you on everything. So are we ready?
I guess so.
Good. Shall we? Mwachi, calm down. Calm down. See, now that we've gotten the evidence we need, we will sue him to court and we are good. The long arm of justice will surely catch up with him. Believe me.
And you think you have the time for that long wait?
The stranger is in my house. He has claimed my rights.
And you're here telling me about summoning him to court.
Mwachi, can you stop and rush? Pull yourself together. Just give me a few days and I'll sort everything.
Well, I do not have
a few days. This nonsense ends today.
Easy. I told you we'll summon him to court. Calm down. Let the law prevail. Let the law prevail.
You know, I told you that one day, just one day, all of your evil plots will be exposed. There you have it. All of it.
What's the meaning of this?
Well, that's the result of the DNA test conducted on you. It shows that you are fake. It shows that you are not my father's blood. It shows that you are not part of this family. But you know what? I'm going to be fair enough to let you run now that you can. Hit the ground and start running. There it is, boldly written. You are not who you say you are. We know that now.
Obiora! Obiora! Obiora, I'm not saying my son. You didn't say much.
Oh, yes.
I've been trying to connect with him on the phone. I can't get him.
Well, he was here a while ago.
Okay.
Showing me one particular paper, telling me that I am not part of this family.
What?
What? That's exactly what I said.
So, where is he now?
Tied up. Tied up. He's tied up. Well, he's still very much alive, but for how longer is what I don't know.
So, where is he now? Can I see him?
He's in a place. Well, before then, wait, let me introduce you to my friend. Robert. Robert, I'd like you to meet my late father's second wife. Meet Robert.
Greetings.
Your Majesty. So, let me have that. Alright, Chief.
It's the result of the DNA test.
Call the boys to get ready. Alright, Chief. I will do just that. You know, looking at you reminds me of my mom in the same position.
God forbid.
So he came in here and told me that I'm not father's legitimate son.
No.
Who else is with that document? Something like this reminds me about my mother and I.
God forbid. God forbid. My son and I cannot be compared to you and your mother. Do not bring up that comparison here because it does not match.
Really?
Yes, really.
I want the result of the DNA test that was conducted on me.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I said I want the result. You think I'm joking with you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You... Robert. Yeah. Keep an eye on this woman.
Just know that nothing lasts forever. Oh yeah, nothing lasts forever. Oh yeah, I just wanna live my life the way I want.
Obiora, at least if you cannot remember you have a mother in the village, why not pick my calls so that I will know that you are okay? Huh?
Well, I've been busy.
Busy?
Yeah.
Busy that you cannot even spare a minute to answer your mother's call. Busy doing what exactly?
Why not come inside? Let me show you why I've been busy.
I just wanna flex myself. Live today, forget tomorrow. But someday, just one day, everything will be made known. So what is staying to gain? Oh.
So you don't want to talk?
I don't know anything.
Talk now. You said you wanted to know what I was doing. I'll tell you what I was doing.
Obiora, what is this? Obiora.
Huh?
What is this? Why are you holding her hostage?
Her son is somewhere tied up in this house. I'll set him free as soon as I get what I want. Don't worry. Nothing will happen to them.
Obiora, I don't have hands in this. Go. The wabum. Then
you go out.
Come, let's go. Stand up!
You don't want to talk, right?
I don't know anything.
Obiora, what has come over you? What do you think you are doing?
What does it look like I'm doing, Mother? I'm doing what is beneficial to you and I. Do you realize that they found out that I'm not Chief's biological son? Trust me, Mother, when I say I'm doing the best for us.
You've gone so far, Obiora. If they have discovered our secrets, as you said, it would have been better you left immediately and returned to the village.
What did you just say? After all I've done, after all I've worked for, or the effort I put in, just abandon everything and go back to the village? If you have something better to say, just say it, Mom.
It is not too late, my son. Release those people and let us live here, please.
It is obvious you do not have anything important to say.
Hi.
Mother, go back to the village, sit, relax, watch TV, eat, drink a lot of water, rest. Let me handle this alone.
Obiora.
Mother, like I said, go back to the village and wait the good news.
This thing together, no matter what you do, just know that nothing lasts forever. Ooh, yeah. So nothing lasts forever. You just wanna rip away you did not sow. Yeah. What a world. You keep pushing things.
Lock the gate!
Oh, what a word. No matter what you do, just know that nothing lasts forever. Ooh, yeah. So nothing lasts forever.
Put your head. Tell me. Wait, this is you. Sit them up. Okay. Respect me was simple. Respect me was easy. Don't be on my black book. Easy. Who else has got that result? Robbers, make him talk. Who else has got that result? Go. Let's go check. Just confirm who's at the gate. Who is that? Oyibo. Red wedding gown. Move.
If you make any move, I will shoot you. Step out. I am talking to you. Step out. You.
My love.
Yes.
You're alive. Oh my goodness.
You.
What happened?
You. I'll be alright. You.
So, I will pretend to be dead. I want to see among them who will be responsible. I want to see if Obiora will change, if given the chance. That's the whole idea.
Not a bad idea if you ask me. Not a bad idea.
I think so.
Are you sure about this? Well, this changed everything. But I can't reveal myself yet. We need a strong evidence other than the confession of my brother's wife. Yes. Try every means possible to get a DNA test done. When you do, I will give you mine so you run the test together. Please be careful. All right. Oh, thank you. Barrister.
Yes, Chief.
Everything you would require of me for the DNA test is here. Make sure you do the DNA and get me a copy. I want to see it myself.
It's all right, Chief. I would do as instructed. I'll make sure everything is properly carried out.
I need the best technician. You must stand there and supervise. Right?
Consider it done, Chief.
I trust you.
I'll use the best hands.
It's all right. You want to run along
now? Definitely, Chief. I have other things to catch up with.
Okay. Be careful.
Of course, Chief.
Make sure nobody sees you.
Time is of the essence.
I see. All right.
Thank you very much, sir.
Everything you need. You're alive. Obiora. You're alive. I accepted you as my son. I gave you everything. Everything. But what did you do? You subjected my family into trouble. Along the line, my daughter died. I promise you, I will ruin you even in jail. Trust me. Officers.
Yes, sir.
Get them.
Hey! Move.
Oh. It's all right.
Move. Sit.
Sorry about that. Dad, is that really you? It's me.
Thank you, my love.
You knocked me
How
out.
are you?
Fine, I'm sorry for everything.
I will use force if necessary. Move. Move!
I promise you nothing will ever happen.
I'm glad it's over now.
It's over. Dad, yes. You're alive. I'm so proud of you, son. You're alive. I'm so proud of you.
You're alive. How are you?
You're good.
Where have you been?
Ow! This boy wants to...
Sorry. I know.
No.
Please help me.
Jesus.
Help me. Sorry. Son, I'm so proud of you. So proud of you.
What happened, Dad?
You will not understand. It's a long story. I will tell you. Yeah. I'm just coming from the police station. Gift has been arrested. She's cooling her head in the police custody. You will see me soon. All right. These people have finished me. They have ruined my life.
Chief.
Yes.
Love.
Without wasting so much time, I just want to give you this little token. Just hold it. I know money is nothing, but it's something that I have to do to appreciate everything that you have done. I'll be coming from time to time to check on you.
Hey!
No.
Chief. Hey! God bless you. Chief, who goes there again?
That's alright.
Hey!
I'll be on my way, okay? I'll be coming to check on you.
Oh, Chief, thank you,
There's
sir.
everything you need to call me.
I will. Darling, Chief. Darling, thank you very much. Oh. You can drive safely. Oh. Hey! The one.
Chief.
Yes.
These are the keys to the house Obiora sold. I have successfully paid back the money like you instructed and recovered the house.
Good. Keep them.
Sir, I should keep them with me for you?
Keep them. The house now belongs to you.
Chief, this is too much. I can't accept a gift like this. This is too big for me, Chief.
Barrister.
Yes, Chief?
Nothing is too much for you. This is a way of trying to appreciate your undying loyalty to me. You see, you carried out every instruction without questions. Even when my son was trying to doubt you and undermine your personage, you stood by me. This is my own way of saying thank you. Nothing more. So it's not much.
Chief, you just made me a landlord? No. It's a dream. Chief, God, how do I thank you, Chief?
Barrister.
Your pocket will never go dry. God will replenish you.
Amen.
Thank you.
Amen. I'll be busy inside. I have some transactions to do with my phone. So whatever you need, call me.
Call you again after this? No, you've done more than enough.
You're my barrister. You have saved my day.
Hey, no.
All right. I don't know how. Sit down. What is it?
My love, I can't stop thinking about Ifeoma. It's so painful. I wish you were here with us. Things would have been different. The joy would have been complete.
Mom, we all miss her. Stop torturing yourself like this. You should comfort yourself with the fact that those who are responsible for our death are paying for it. Alright?
Sweetheart, you continue hurting yourself this way, okay? I know you. She was so dear to you. So she was to all of us. Yeah. I promise you she has gone to be in a better place. Okay? Stop it.
I'm sorry for ruining your day.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. I understand how you feel. But I promise you nothing will ever come between us. Okay? Yeah.
Love you so much.
Love you.
Love you guys.
Love you so much.
I have to tell her something inside.
All right.
Let's go.
See you.
All right. I'll be right here.
Right.